everyone, I'm Nina Basilio and I'm one of About Face's dolls. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my foundation using my favorite foundation from About Face Cosmetics. This is the Just Glow for It, and it's good for hydrating and illuminating your skin, which is very essential if you have dry skin like me. And also, if you purchase any of their products, they donate 5 pesos to Paws and Faith Animal Rescue Shelter. So please get one and be pretty and also help the furry animals. So this is my date night look for when I had a boyfriend. And right now, it's not just for dating guys. Also, you can go out and date yourself, honey. So this is also good if you want to see your friends. But of course, be safe. Always wear a mask. Syempre, it's an essential to always be safe. Bring an alcohol, wear a mask, so that we can help in the decrease of the coronavirus. Okay, so I'm gonna be just putting on some powder and setting my favorite foundation. And what's good about the foundation is that it's lightweight and it's easy to blend. And also, it smells so good. It doesn't smell toxic like other foundations. And just a little bit of blush to bring out my face. So now that we have the blush, and I already did the brows and my eyes, so nag eyeshadow lang ako ng orange. Very simple lang, just to accentuate your face. There. Okay, so the next step is to do my lips. Of course, we're gonna be using my favorite About Face. So I really love their products because the quality is super good, and also it's very blendable. So this is their Lip Locker Come Out Swinging Mauve. So I'm gonna be using this lippy from the Lip Locker Come Out Swinging Mauve. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this as well. What this basically does or do is that it makes any lippy matte. So it's so nice. I love it. Look at that. So I'm just gonna be putting that. I'm Nina Basilio. You can guys follow me on my Instagram. It's at nnbsl. Thank you guys for watching, and always remember to stay safe and be happy, and I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!